Hello children, this is a really funny book about an alien teacher called Dr. Xargle who's trying to teach his alien class about human babies, and he calls them Earthlets. See if you recognise what he says. Dr. Xargle's Book of Earthlets. Good morning class. Today we are going to learn about earthlets. They come in 4 colours: pink, brown, black or yellow, but not green. They have 1 head and only 2 eyes, 2 short tentacles with feelers on the end, and 2 long tentacles called leggies. They have square claws, which they use to frighten off wild beasts known as Tibbles and Marmaduke. Earthlets grow fur on their heads, but not enough to keep them warm. They must be wrapped in the hairdo of a sheep. Very old earthlings or grannies unravel the sheep, and with 2 pointed sticks they make earthlets wrappers in blue and white and pink. Earthlets have no fangs at birth. For many days they drink only milk through a hole in their face. When they have finished the milk, they must be patted and squeezed to stop them exploding. When they grow a fang, the parent earthling takes the egg of a hen and mangles it with a prong. Then she puts the egg mangle on a small spade and tips it into the earthlet's mouth, nose and ears. To stop them leaking, earthlets must be pulled up by the back tentacles and folded in half. Then they must be wrapped quickly in a fluffy triangle or sealed with paper and glue. Wonder what that is. During the day, earthlets collect the hairs of Tibbles and Marmaduke, mud, egg mangle and banana. They are then placed in plastic capsules with warm water and a yellow floating bird. After soaking, earthlets must be dried carefully to stop them shrinking. Then they are sprinkled with dust to stop them sticking to things. Earthlets can be recognised by their fierce cry. Wah! To stop them doing this, the earthling daddy picks them up and flings them into the atmosphere. Then he tries to catch them. If they still cry, the earthling mummy pulls their feelers one by one and says, "This little piggy went to market," until the earthlet makes a hee noise. If they still cry, they are sent to a place called Beddy Buys. This is a swinging box with a soft lining in which there lives a small bear called a teddy. That is the end of today's lesson. If you're all very good and quiet, we are going to put on our disguises and visit planet Earth to see some real earthlets. I wonder if they visit Bumblebee and Ladybird class. The spaceship leaves in 5 minutes.